Every taxable person is required to file a VAT return, summarizing the VAT due to the FTA for the tax period. When the input tax is greater than the output tax on a VAT return, the taxable person is able to request a VAT refund after submission of the VAT return, or at any later time when there is a credit owed to them. In this video, we will explain the process to be followed to claim the input VAT refund. Keep watching until the end. The VAT refund claim can be submitted by the taxable person, or another person, who has the right to do so, on the taxable person's behalf. Let's understand how to claim the VAT refund. Go to the FTA website. Select e-Services, and log in by using your username and password. In order to access the refund form, go to the VAT tab, and then to the VAT 311 Refunds tab. Under this tab, access the form by clicking on VAT 311 New Tax Refund button. This is the VAT refund form. The first section is the taxable person's basic information. This section is pre-populated on the basis of the information contained in the taxable person's account user profile. It is therefore very important that the information contained is correct and accurate. Check it before completing the refund form. Let's move to the next section. This column represents the current amount of excess refundable tax. This field is pre-populated based on the excess refundable tax reported in the relevant past VAT returns, which have already been submitted up to the last return. Minus administration penalties due, except for the late registration penalty, which is shown separately. Here, enter the amount you wish to have refunded. This amount must be equal to, or less than the total amount of excess refundable tax. This field is pre-populated and represents the remaining amount of excess refundable tax you may apply for in the future. This field is pre-populated depending on whether you have had a penalty imposed and have settled the late registration penalty for VAT or not. Upload a bank account validation letter or certificate here. This letter must be issued and stamped by your bank and includes the account holder's name. The name must be the same as the taxable person's name as registered with the FTA. This letter should also include bank's name, bank's address, SWIFT or BIC, and the IBAN. This section is pre-populated from the system. Here, you must tick yes to agree to both declarations before submitting this form. To complete a field that requires a date, click the calendar icon to the right of the field and enter the date from the calendar. Once you complete the form, click on the Submit button. Before submitting the refund claim, ensure that bank account details are provided on the registration form. Refund requests that do not have bank account details will be rejected. The refund form will be processed within 20 business days of submission. You will receive an email notification from the FTA on the result of your application. The amount will be refunded once your claim is approved. You may check your balance through the My Payment tab under the Transaction History section once you receive a confirmation email. Hope this video is helpful to you to understand the process of claiming VAT refund in the UAE. HAB Accounting Consultancy can help you with VAT and give you proper advice on all your VAT related issues. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any new videos.